Philco RK116 is the yellow number 20 at Phil Corporation. Okay, no problem. There is the number 20 at Phil Corporation. No problem. There is the alright. No choice. Got the problem. There is the yellow Cobelco RK116 is the Advil Corporation. No problem. There is the good time. There is the Cobelco RK116 roof thinner crane truck yellow Cobelco. All of the brown. There is the no choice. No brown. There is the good time. There is the yellow Cobelco Advil Corporation. No problem. There is the no choice. I like the brand. There is the crane truck Cobelco. Good thing there is the alright, no problem. There is the Cobelco. Is the more there is the yellow Cobelco. 60 tons is the yellow year for 1996. Early is the 90s. Okay, no problem. There is the and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.